this time I'm gonna teach you how to rework a garment really easy just with an iron. So if you have those boring dresses in your wardrobe, you take one, you choose any kind of patches on my website. I have plenty of them. And then you hit the iron, and we're gonna just cut any shape, any kind of shape of patch that you like. I like triangles, so I'm gonna work with them. You place them. If you have a hole or something, you can hide it. And then the iron moment comes. So you stay there and press. You don't move it. You don't want to move it. And around 10-15 minutes, and this should be ready and part of the garment. You have garments that will look something like this. This is my favorite. And then you have that one, you can hide holes in any sweater, wool sweater or denim. And you can find them in my website with a really nice box that can arrive to your home. And you're gonna just need scissors and an iron.